Okay, this is our multimeter. We can use a multimeter to measure DC volts, AC volts, resistance, diodes, AC current, DC current, and continuity. So, in DC volts, we connect our common and our voltage. In AC volts, we'll use our common and our voltage. If we want to measure current, DC current for example, then we need to move this lead to our current slot. So this is going to demonstrate how to measure a current. What we'll do is we'll press DC current, we'll move this into our amp slot. Now I need to connect this to our circuit in series. So here I have a positive 5 volt supply that I'm going to connect in series. As you can see at the moment, as soon as I connect this, there's nothing here. What this is doing, there's no load on this at all. What this is doing is short circuiting the circuit. So the power supply is limiting to 100 milliamps and I'm reading 100 milliamps. If I change the current now, I'll change the current on my multimeter. So I turn the output off, now current stops flowing, and my reading is as such.